So here is how we can soft reset the iPhone. Let me explain it and show it to you. If you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So there are two things or two types of resets. There is the hard reset, where you essentially delete everything from your phone, which you would find inside of the settings, general, transfer or reset iPhone. And when you go to the erase all content and settings, that is the hard reset, which means that nothing is going to stay on the phone and it will all be deleted. But you can also perform soft reset, which just like resets the software but keeps all of your data on the phone. And we do this whenever the phone is glitching out or doing something else. But you do it like this. You perform a sequence of pressing the volume up button, volume down, and then holding down on the power button on the other side. So let me, for example, get inside any app. Let's say it was glitching and I want to perform the soft reset. I'm going to do, as I said, the volume up, volume down, and holding down on the power button like this. I still keep on holding, right, until the screen goes black. Like this. It takes a few seconds and I still have the button pressed like this with my index finger. And now once the Apple logo shows up, I can lift it up and the phone will be reset. It will just basically boot up normally, and now I'll be able to use it once again. So it might take a while, of course. Normally until the phone restarts, it generally takes some time, a few seconds or a minute, but then, I'll have the ability to just type in the code like that and use the phone normally. And if there was anything glitching or any app open, it just comes back to the home screen and you can keep on using the phone normally. So I hope it helps. I hope that I was able to explain it. Let me know if it worked for you as well. Thanks a lot and I'll see you later.